crate. That just makes my day.
They're carrying the crate?
Yeah, I don't
Our team.
That's right.
The Atomic Frogs are walking.
They're having fun. That's it. They're having fun.
They are. 2 minutes and 30 seconds is the record today. What are we up to so far?
How do you stop this and start this?
Hey, they're up to 3:39. I think the stop button is going to be here on this end, right there.
Stop and then start?
Yep. So what are we up to? 3:47. Here they come. They're going to run for the camera. All right.
We're missing somebody.
Oh, no. We are.
Come on, come on.
It's John Rising.
Come on.
John Rising's carrying the, that's amazing.
Come on.
Why? Hey,
Go
boys.
back and get Johnny. Hurry up.
You guys don't cross the finish line until he does.
Hurry up.
The shock. What? That's too funny.
It's teamwork.
These
They
guys
should
yell
have put
for
him on the sled.
I know.
They should have put him on the sled. Grab his jacket.
There is.
Come on, Johnny. Come on, Johnny. Let's go, Johnny.
Our true 357 spirit right there. Right there. Love it.
Come on, Rhino.
Oops. Oh, man. Wipe out.
Come on, Johnny. Come on, John. Come on, Johnny.
Dive.
Woo!
And what we got?
456.
456. Okay.
How do we start this back up?
0 is right. Oh, let me. Did I stop it?